My name's Nicola, the maker behind Rainbows in August, and I'm going to show you how to make a square knot. For this you'll need 2 lengths of cord which are attached to the dowel using a lark's head knot. This will create 4 strands to work with. The 2 centre strands will remain in place and we'll use the 2 outer strands to form the knot. Take the left strand and loop it over the 2 centre strands, then hold it in place with your thumb. Then take the right strand, place it over the top of the left strand, behind the 2 centre strands and up through the loop on the left hand side. Here are some images to demonstrate this 2-step process. Now pull on the 2 outer strands to tighten. We are now halfway through making a square knot and we need to repeat in reverse. This time you should take the strand on the right hand side and loop it over the 2 centre strands. Then take the left strand, place it over the top of the right hand strand, behind the 2 centre strands and up through the loop on the right hand side. Here are some images to demonstrate this 2-step process. And now you need to pull to tighten. I'm now going to repeat this process several more times so you can see what a series of square knots looks like. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials with rainbows in August.